From a YouTube comment, tanong ni CJ Vance4484, mas okay ba ang water cooling versus air cooling? This is Pwede Magtanong Thursday. Hardware Sugar is a computer shop, pero kahit hindi ka customer, gusto pa rin namin makatulong, especially para sa mga nasisimula pa lang sa hobby. Now for this, generally speaking, better ang mga AIO sa performance. Pero size matters. To get the best performance, especially for the top-end CPUs na mataas ang power limits, yung 3060mm talaga ang best. Actually, pwede ka rin mag 420mm. Going with the smaller 240mm or worse yung 120mm will be a drastic performance difference. With that said, malaking pro naman for air coolers is yung simplicity niya. It's literally a heatsink na may fans na you plop down on your CPU. No tubes, no pumps, no nothing. Kasama na rin dito yung ease ng maintenance niya. And lastly, although rare na for AIO coolers from reputable brands, may chance sa failure ang mga AIO, which would often mean na papalitan mo yung buo. Sa air coolers, yung fans lang yung papalitan mo most of the time pag may nasira. Finally, aesthetics. Some builders like the cleaner look ng AIOs, while yung iba gusto yung laki ng air coolers. Ultimately, syempre, nasa sayo na yan. In conclusion, sa thermal performance, if your CPU is top of the line and power hungry, minsan required na mag-AIO for best performance. However, if you have a lower-end CPU, air coolers are enough.